Hello, welcome to YOLO Crypto. My name is Daniel Scott Jacobs, and today we're going to talk about a very important aspect of trading, probably the most important one, and that is controlling your emotions, okay? And I'm speaking from experience here because my trading journey was fucking brutal, all right? I used to listen to this trader on YouTube, okay? And he's still around, he's called Zip Trader. And one thing he said that has always stuck with me, and I continue to repeat it in my videos, is when you learn trading, you're going to put one thing forth: either your time through education or your money through losing trades. And I like to say I did a bit of both, but probably more losing money. I'm going to share with you some of my biggest trades, and I'm going to talk to you about some strategies after you take a big trade. Okay, so let's get started. This is not going to be a long video, but I just want to stress the point that this is one of the most important things that you will come across. Okay, and you're going to experience this whether you're a seasoned trader or not. But really, controlling your emotions is going to help you get ahead in the long run because you can't trade emotionally. That is called revenge trading, which brings me to my first bad trade. One of many. So I had just lost a trade, right? I probably lost like $1,000 or $800. Okay, and my trading portfolio was not big. Okay, this is about 4 or 5 years ago, and I was selling roofing and siding at the time, renovations to homeowners and small business owners, and there was this stock that had gotten released that day, okay, on an IPO, initial public offering, okay, and the stock was going crazy, very volatile, up and down, and I thought I saw a good entry, okay. Again, I did not know who the company was. I can't even remember the ticker symbol, and I bought in for $20,000, which was quite a bit of money, okay, for me. And within literally 60 seconds, almost immediately after I bought the stock, it went down 25% and they froze trading. Okay, so I've already lost 5 grand and I haven't even gotten out yet. Now they call this, there's a certain acronym for it, but essentially it's when a stock is too volatile and they'll freeze trading for like 10-minute intervals to try to slow down volatility. I don't think it works that well, which is why I try to push people towards crypto as opposed to stock market, because there is no holds on trading. It trades year round, 24/7. And I sold the stock, I took the loss, I licked my wounds, and I was very upset. And that is when I stopped trading. Okay, stopped trading that day. Okay, I shut the computer off and I no longer watched that stock. And that is the most important thing to do. Okay, which is the first lesson. Walk away. Okay, if you take a big loss, just walk away, take a break. Okay, take a break for a day and think about like why you got in that trade. Were you trading emotionally, which you probably were, because if you are an experienced trader, you have a strategy that you have back tested, and you have risk management tools in place, like perhaps a stop loss that is going to prevent you from losing 25% of your initial bet, right? Um, 80% of stock market participants, day traders will quit within 2 years because they can't win consistently. Okay, that is a true fact. And I'll bring you to my next story. So my next story is I was trading pre-market, which most traders will tell you they never do. Okay, we were in the time zone of when retail was just getting into the market. Hey, and I'm still a new trader at this point. Um, and I had seen stocks, right? The night before show some momentum, show some activity, higher volume, and then in the pre-market morning, they're bumping. Okay, so there's a stock, and I saw it on YouTube the night before a couple times. People are talking about it on Facebook, and I'm like, yeah, this is my chance. So I get up at like 5 a.m., right? And I buy in for a stupid amount of money. I want to say like $20,000 or $30,000. Okay, I'm trying to like knock one out the park. Okay, again, this is probably revenge trading in itself, and um, in about an hour and a half of the pre-market trading that I was in, maybe two or 2.5 hours, I lost $7,000. Okay, took a $7,000 lick, and I was so upset. I was very upset, and at that time, that is when I learned, okay, I needed to take a break. And that is when I really took a break from trading, did paper trading for a little bit, and really perfected my strategy because I was trying to trade with no back tested strategy. And that is lesson number 2, is if you take a big loss, clearly your strategy is wrong. Okay, maybe it's risk management. Maybe your entry points are not right. Maybe you have expectations that are not practical, okay, in the stock market, and that would differ from crypto, but an experienced trader would know that, okay? And again, just calming your emotions down is the most important thing, and I cannot stress that enough. And the biggest way to do that is taking a break, okay? What I would recommend if you take a big loss is to take a break, and I would review your strategy, okay? And go back and look at trades that you have done, that you have won, and that you have lost, okay? And really pinpoint why you won them or why you lost them, okay? Maybe your trading strategy needs another indicator. Maybe it has too many indicators, okay? These are things that you can do that are going to help you in the long run, okay? So that is all this video is about, okay? I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button because I'm a trader. I don't trade as much as I used to. The thing is you don't have to take every trade. That is what took me a while to realize, is that there are trades that are going to come to you and that are going to fit your criteria, okay? Not every trade is going to do that, okay? Sometimes I'll go weeks without trading, okay, because I'm looking for specific things, and I have simple strategies, some of which I've already shared on this channel. One I'll share right now, like this is very simple. You don't even need TA. As soon as a coin comes on Coinbase, and it has a lot of zeros in it, meaning like this is a cryptocurrency, of course, and if there's like a decimal point and then zeros, so to buy a coin is a fraction of a penny. That gets retail hyped because they get that lottery ticket appeal, and generally speaking, that coin is going to do 50 to 200%. In the next few days. Okay, sometimes it takes a week, but generally speaking, it usually happens right away. I always buy coins as soon as it comes on Coinbase, regardless of the price. And you might want to buy 10% of what you have on Coinbase. I generally buy a little bit more because I'm confident in this strategy, but I keep an eye on it. Okay, so that's something that you can do, and most people have a Coinbase account, so that's very effective. But this is all I'm going to share in this video. Okay, if you like the content, like I said, subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much.